Are you ready, JD? All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today with another random object from Amazon. My favorite thing is when you get something from Amazon and the box perfectly matches what it should be inside.
Can we just state it before we open it?
That's what we did last time, so let's do it again. But this one I think is a little different because apparently somehow in this box, there's like a whole up, flat, down pyramid. Do you think that's real? It's not looking good. Good thing we brought Ricky Glaza straight from the Australian underground, mate. All right, first person to ride off this ramp and land gets a popsicle. He almost did it. He almost did it. No! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why, thank you, Troy. All right, go ahead. Who's got it? I'm sorry. How does the man do it? How does the man do it? Yesterday I was texting him, I was like, what size of wheels do you think I should get? Maybe like 58s? And he's like, nah, 60s at least. What? Yeah, 60s.
Dude, that almost worked though.
What is this? Why do you need that? Oh, you stepping. Oh boy! No way. I'm sorry, I'm just in literally everyone's way. I'm just gonna stand here and host the ghost, dude. All right, Glow? I noticed Glow's just standing up there. He hasn't quite decided to hit the ramp yet. How can they all do that? You notice how they just gradually ride up the ramp without body?
It'd be like a little mini pop in.
Yeah, I can't do it. Oh boy! Let's get it! Should I try the kickflip? No, not yet. Ollie it. Oh! Well, at least that guy in the comments has said, it's boring when JD doesn't skate. There you go! There you go, JD skating. You're welcome. You know what my favorite comment was recently? I'm convinced that Aaron has gone insane from making all these videos. Yes, you are right. Leave it in the comments below. If you think I don't read your comments, I do. Let's get it. I realized he could just ride up the ramp because he's got size 60mm wheels and he's a lot lighter than Ricky. All terrain! I saw it and I was like, Ricky, please change your grip tape. It's hurting my tummy. Switch! First try! I'm giving these guys one more try. No, two more, no, three more tries and then I'm opening the box. Are you trying to kickflip, Ricky? What did you forgot how hard these were. Go ahead, Ricky. What if he falls and his board goes underneath my pogo? Yeah, I told him 3 tries and now we're on try 180.
Yeah! All right, sorry about that.
Sorry?
Let's open it.
You don't gotta be sorry. Right here, right now, right here, right now. I'm dying to open the box. I'm dying.
Yeah! Oh.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Leave it in the comments below. Dang, all right. Double ramp set. These instructions contain important safety information for both adult and child safety. It is important to review this information, making sure that any user understands all the warnings. We recommend that you periodically review and reinforce the information below, especially with younger users. This product is intended for users over the age of 12 years. Oh no! You're out! It's a good thing you skated it before we read the important safety information. Max weight, 198 pounds. You're not over 198. Always make sure the ramp is used on a flat level surface free of any obstacles such as stones, gravel, any other debris. Keep it away from railings, steep gradients, swimming pools, or walls. Always use the ramp in places which allow you to improve your skills, not on pavements or streets where you may endanger other people and possibly cause an accident. Use the ramp in traffic-free areas and clear of pedestrians such as parks or playgrounds. Never attempt to perform maneuvers for which you are not ready.
Kickflip?
Yeah.
Oh, extra support? Okay, and if you can't understand his accent, he means that's really smart. I reckon that's a pretty good idea, Rick Rowe. You know what I want to see on this? A contest. See how far. Yeah, please. And I will graciously judge. Let's set it up how it's meant to be. What do you mean it's breaking? It's not breaking. Look at this. I mean, they already skated it in the box. What do you think was going to happen? What is this shirt? He's got the sickest shirt I've ever seen. What? All right, how do I get this off? Ricky was like, our fingerboard park is literally bigger than this. And I was like, oh, throwing shade.
I think we really got to ramp this video up.
Oh, got him. And a wild McNugget appears. I mean, it's like a speed bump. It's pretty good. The batteries are dead or something. No, nothing. Should we separate it apart for the big boys? That's part of the fun.
That sketch. Moving is kind of funny if it's like impossible.
Why? Because this is living, mate. Okay, we'll start small. What's the problem, Chris? Okay, all right.
We can finally go back here.
Look at that. Feels good to be back. What did we come back here for? A tape measure. Oh. Woo!
The cube.
We're gonna start it off at 6 inches. All right, go ahead. Let's see who can make the gap. Who else wants to run this? Oh, he's clearing the whole thing. He cleared the whole second ramp. Too easy, 1 foot. The furthest launch in the Braille house. I love these videos, they're my favorite ones.
They're so fun.
Leave it in the comments below if you had the bigger version of this growing up.
What was it called? The Ramp Tech Kicker. First kickflip on the Ramp Tech Kicker. That's gnarly. That Ramp Tech Kicker is about the hardest thing to kickflip you could imagine. One foot, 6 inches. I know once it starts getting where you could actually like hit this, they're gonna be like, oh, I don't know, Aaron. Maybe this is a bad idea, Aaron. Don't let those saltwater crocodiles get you, mate. How can we get a crocodile into the Braille house? Who's got a wild animal thing that you can bring your crocodiles here? Leave it in the comments below. Yee-hoo! 2 feet! See? By the time glow goes, every time it's back to 6 inches. Body! 2.5 feet. If you live in Australia, it's called almost a meter. No, I'm cool. I'm chilling on the measure tape. Thanks though. 1 meter. You don't need 2.5. You don't want, you want 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter, Chris. Well, like Ricky was claiming, 5 meters, which is 15 feet. You guys do not understand how incredibly hard it is to ollie off this ramp right here. That's 3.5 feet, baby. Let's get it. That girl is on fire. Straight to 4 feet. If you live in Australia, they call this 4 feet. Glow's dipping out. He's just so much better than everybody else. It's like not fair. And he's not even old enough to skate the ramp. God, him. Oh, God, somebody. Just kidding, I'm just kidding. And then every time he goes and does like a really cool trick over there and you're filming my face, nobody wants to see my face, they want to see JD. Like, where did we find these guys?
Australia.
Okay, okay. Glow up. We need to make a special merch box for Glow. We're gonna call it the Glow Glam Box. This boy even cleared the second ramp. It's gonna have ice and everything.
Shout out Evil Knievel.
5 feet.
Wow, Chris just launched his body height.
Chris is so dainty, he can't even move the ramp. That was so Hesh what he did just there. He went up the ramp and then down that to get more speed.
Well, Ricky says no.
Ricky, this is living.
He could have cleared you so easy.
How about here, going that way, and then roll down that and then launch. All right, so it's 2 of you guys move that to the flat bottom, that big bank, and then I'll move these. I've been working out. I'm up to 13 pull-ups. JD wants more speed, more power. He's like, here, let me walk down the handrail. Just kidding, just kidding. It's sick, it's sick. Did they do some good tricks on this? I mean, honestly, you probably did this one easier than that one, right? I mean, it's almost where we were. Don't fall in the middle. First try! They don't want the sticker on the front. They said, no sticker. Okay. I feel like Ricky Ice got 10 feet. You got this, McNug?
At the start, we're like, ha ha ha, stupid, silly product, you know, silly skate product. But now I'm like, this is a fun ramp. I'm enjoying
this was
shredding this ramp.
Yeah, Glow's clocked out. I'm clocked out. I clocked out at 1 inch. 80 inches. That Ricky Glaser, he's a poser. Let me move it back for Chris. They're animals. Should we start moving it that way? Is it getting too close to the ramp? Go that way? 7 feet. In Australia, they call this 2.33 repeating meters. Ricky, you want to go? You want to take this outside the parking lot, throw down, huh? We ain't do no trailblazers up in here, huh? JD, go again. I need a real man. I only trust JD. You ready, JD?
Just kick out right on his nuts.
Please. Are you ready, JD? First try, let's go! Yeah, I would trust the boy with my life. All right, 8 feet? I forgot I got the fisheye lens. Oh, let's fisheye this bad beast.
He sucked up so much and he just barely made it. That was kind of scary.
What's the world's record longest ollie? 16 feet 6 inch, Jordan Hoffert. All right, let's go, boys. 16 feet.
With the knowledge.
Is that as far as we go? Should we go 9 feet? Should we at least hit 10 feet? Wait, JD, how old are you? 11. Oh, we gotta at least do 11. Did you hear what he said? He said, okay. I don't know, mate. I don't know. I didn't want to see my son go down.
It's still, I'm struggling to get the speed now. I'm trying to think like what's the best way to get the speed as far.
I mean, the things in the middle help out a lot. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, you learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And do not forget, we have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com, and we are there to help you on the Braille Army Plus membership. Let's go!